Audio Jungle.
PJM Collectibles.
Hi, welcome back to the channel. Miles here for PJM Collectibles, and for today we're going to unbox and take a closer look at another Toyota model. This time it's the Toyota BB2000 by BM Creations. Okay, this is another model from BM Creations. This is the Toyota BB2000. Okay, got this a couple of years ago. Okay, 1/64 scale Toyota BB. Okay, if you haven't seen this one yet on the roads, okay, most probably that this has already been sort of phased out. They don't make this anymore. Okay, and also this Toyota BB was released in Japan, okay, and also released in North America, United States. Okay, rebadged under the Scion brand. Okay, Toyota subsidiary in North America. Okay, it's now closed, it's now defunct. Okay, there's no more Scion anymore. Okay, they rebadged this and marketed this as the Toyota XB. Okay, so it's a little trivia for you guys. Okay, first off, this once again, this from BM Creations. Okay, model 1/64 scale, do sits in a windowed box. Okay, I got the black one. And as you can see, okay, pictured at the back, okay, are some images of the model itself. Okay, and also indicated here, okay, this model comes with another set of wheels, front bumper included, okay, a rear bumper, okay, side skirts, rear doors can be opened, okay, steering function and suspension adjustable. Okay, so let's get on to it. Okay, model, okay, is wrapped in this heat shrink packaging. Okay, so as I slowly remove this one. Okay, once again, I'd like to invite you to my Facebook and Instagram pages for more diecast pics and reels. And watch out for this. Okay, I'm going to feature more pics of this on my Facebook. Okay, now that we've removed the plastic packaging, it's time to unbox this one. Okay, now let's see what's inside. Okay, oh nice, this one's nice. Okay, anyway, model and its accessories do sit inside this plastic mold. Accessories came in this plastic pouch. Okay, I'm going to talk about that later. Okay, here we go. Very good. Model's very secure on this plastic mold. Very nice. Okay. Whoa, here are some of the details. Okay, as I mentioned, I think these are the side skirts. Okay, and the accessories that came, we got the wheel set. There you are. Okay. Very nice wheel design. Okay. And also front bumper. Ooh, this one's nice. Okay. Set that one aside, and also the rear bumper. Oh, very nice. Okay, moving on to the model itself. Okay, gonna set this one aside. Okay, now for the model. Okay, let's take a closer look. First off, it's a full die-cast body, 1/64 scale. Okay, it says so in the box. It says so in the box. Okay, it's Toyota BB, a 5-door mini hatchback. Okay, with a boxy design. Okay, well, a little trivia once again. Okay, BB stands for black box. Okay, doesn't mean that it's black and it's boxy design. Okay, what Toyota said means black box means infinite possibilities. Okay, I think I've read that somewhere. Anyway, moving on to the model. Okay, as I've said, full die-cast body. Very nice. Okay, this one's colored black. This one is left-hand drive. Okay, first off, okay, on the side, ano lines for the doors. Okay, are very good. Okay. Windows are clear. Okay, with plastic details on, okay, plastic trims for the details. Okay, here you go, both in the front and on the rear. Okay, there's a fuel cover. Okay, kind of deep. Panel lights are kind of deep. Okay, there's some details to it also. Okay, side mirrors. Okay, made out of metal. Okay, part of the mold comes with, I think this is a silver sticker. Okay, not much details. Okay, fender lamps. Okay, painted silver there. Okay, and okay, wheels. Okay, basic design. Okay, very cute. Okay, and rubber threaded tires. Okay, and moving on to the front. Okay, ooh, very good details on this one. Okay, as you can see. Okay, front grille is very good. Okay, good details on that. Headlights are clear, plastic inserts. Okay, not much details on it. It's very good. Okay, there's a BB logo. Okay, on the front grille. Okay, bumper. Okay, has some good details on it as well. Okay, license plate has a BB said on it. Okay, moving on to the hood, not much details. Okay, except for the clear windows, windshield. Okay, with some wiper details on it. Okay, pretty well clearly see what's inside. Okay, we're gonna talk about that later. Okay, moving on to the roof. Okay, very good design. Okay, and as you can see, very good paint, the black one. Okay, very good paint. Okay, moving on to the back. Okay, it says so in the box. Okay, rear doors can be open. Okay, but first, okay, details on the back. Okay, this one will come with a mini spoiler in the rear. Okay, windows on the rear have window, or rather rear window defoggers as details. Okay, as a rear wiper. Okay, and also tail lights are clear plastic inserts with red details on them. Okay, both sides. Okay, good details on the bumper as well. And then, just like in the front, it has a BB license plate. Okay, so now try to open the rear door. Okay, I think it's kind of hard. Okay, might do that some other time. Okay, now, as I've said, windows are clear. Okay, very well, clearly see what's inside. Okay, details on the interiors are very good. Okay, even though it's colored black. Okay, could have been better if you painted a different color. Okay, but details are very good on the inside. Okay, dashboard and steering wheel, very good details on them. Okay, now moving on to the back, or rather to the bottom of the model. Oh, this one has good details on it. Okay, base is made out of plastic. Okay, with some details on them, and what's clearly evident is the exhaust system. Okay, painted in silver. Okay, goes all from the front, the engine, and goes onto the back. Okay, to the muffler. Okay, there you go, very good one. Okay, very good model, interesting one. Okay, we get to see a lot of this on the roads here in the Philippines. Okay, okay, now we're gonna set this one aside as we take a closer look at the accessories. Okay, first off, okay, as I've said, section earlier. Okay, Very good design. Oh, very nice design. Okay, it comes with rubber threaded tires as well. Nice, all 4 of them. And inside the plastic pouch are, oh, there's another muffler. Okay, and also the plastic things, okay, that you need to attach to the model. Okay, just like the other BM Creation models, BM Creations models. Okay, here's the side skirt. Okay, I wonder how. Oh, okay. So there are the small tabs there. Okay, that's how you're gonna place them. Okay, and also front bumper. Okay, this is the front bumper. Okay, very nice. Okay, also the rear bumper. Okay, very good. Okay. So now we're going to, okay, there's some like glue residue here. Okay, looking at the model itself. Okay, how do we do this? Oh, okay, there. Okay, side skirt stock, side skirts. Okay, can easily be removed. Okay, okay, from the factory there seems to be some adhesive, okay, placed to it. Okay, and on the other side, okay, just need to pull them off. Okay, there's the adhesive that I was talking about. Okay, now that we've taken it off, okay, trying to put the side skirts. Okay, okay, side skirts do come with black. Okay, black color, piano black. Okay, this is the proper term for that. Okay, now we're going to put them. Okay, we have these tabs and there's these little holes. Okay, so one way to place them is just simply put them into the holes. Oh, cool. I don't know how. Okay, now there you have it. Okay, I don't know if this is the right. Okay, kinda loose and fragile. Okay, now that the side skirts are in, oh, very nice. Okay, and also front bumper. Okay, just pull them off. Okay, now goes down. Okay, front bumper has some tabs on it. Okay, you're gonna just slide it into the hole. Okay, so there you have it. Very nice. Okay. Look at the difference. Okay, nice. And also we'll go for the rear bumper. Okay, hopefully it's just a little tap as well. Okay, there you have it. Okay, and there's the rear bumper. Okay, you need to remove the muffler. Okay, I think. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, the different muffler. Okay, as you can see, size. Okay. I don't know if it's clear. Okay. Let me get this. Okay. This is the stock one. Okay. Okay. And this is the customized one. Okay. Okay. It's a longer one. Okay. Now we need to put the here. There's a small tab there. Okay. Need to put the muffler. Okay. Oh, it's kind of hard. Okay. Okay. There you have it. Okay. Now put the rear bumper. Okay, so there you have it. The rear bumper is on, and we're going to put the front bumper. Okay, sit. Okay, there you have it. Okay. Ooh, kinda looks good. Okay, imagine with a new set of wheels. I need to do this off cam, okay, and I'm going to put them on a turntable for everyone to see. Okay, thank you for watching. You can catch more pics of this Toyota Baby by BM Creations on my Facebook and Instagram pages. Hope you follow them. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.
Little cars.